I've always believed that music is more than entertainment. It's healing, it's history, ito din ang pagkatao natin.
Punuan sa awitin tong ito, sana'y maibigan mo.
I've seen how music keeps our stories alive.
Gusto ko bigay buhay na gusto mo.
Especially when words are not enough.
These trees asleep when it's cold outside.
For me, music is also deeply personal.
It's a sunrise, heaven's brown eyes.
My father was a musician, and for many years, it was through his music that our family survived. His passion and sacrifice taught me that music isn't just a dream, it's a lifeline. Dahil sa musika, nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral at nabuhay kami ng marangal. I grew up watching how one song, one gig, one stage could put food on the table and hope in the heart. That's why music isn't just something I admire. It's something I carry in my journey, even now as a public servant.
Eto na!
But I've also seen the quiet struggles of Filipino musicians.
Ang tubong Dait Camarines Norte, Jeff Gresa.
The ones who gave us the soundtrack of our lives.
Welcome, Diwata, sa aming show. Ang ating ka-session ngayon.
Yet often go unheard themselves.
Kailangan tayong mag-ingay kay Fred Engay. At yung mga struggle, siyempre, malalaman natin kung ano ba struggle ng isang musikero.
That's why we created sessions.
May session!
It's not just a show, but a safe space.
If you follow the sunset, ikaw na ang may sabi.
A home for the heart behind the hits. A stage where artists, whether legends or rising voices,
Eto tayo sa
can tell their truth, relive the music that shaped them, and be reminded why they started in the first place.
Someday, someone's gonna take your place.
We want to remind every OPM artist, you matter. Your story matters. Ito ang pagkilala sa OPM at sa musika na patuloy na sumasalamin ng ating buhay.
Magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin.
Eto na!
This is Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Uso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang gwapo, nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintonado sa kaba? Merong pandalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas. barkada, nakaporma nakabaro, sa awiting daig pang -1 at singalong. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Hindi ba parang isang sine, isang pelikula romantiko? Hindi ba't ikaw ang bidang artista at ako ang iyong leading man sa istorya nagwawakas sa pag-ibig na wagas? Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Ang kantang ito sa'yo.
Magandang gabi. Welcome to Sessions. Ako po si Brian Yamsuan. Salamat po sa pagsubaybay nyo sa aming programa. Nakakataba po talaga ng puso ang inyong mga positive feedback sa last episode namin. Pangako po, ito pangako talaga namin to. Pagbubutihin pa namin. Di ba Yam Jam Live? Ito, G, ito, correct mo lang kung tama itong aking nakita. Parang lalo na sa mga female band members natin. Before social media, tsaka yung mga DMs, may panahon na ang pinaka-romantic gesture sa panliligaw was standing outside someone's window with a guitar. Tama ba yun?
Tama ako.
Yes.
Di ba? Yung talagang singing your heart out. Tradition ng harana yan, kaya yung old school love at its finest, well, hindi ko na naabutan yan, pero naabutan yan ng tatay ko. Oo, di ba? Pero ikaw, Mariel, naharana ka ba nung bata ka?
Yes, Kong. Wow, confident.
Wow! Confident with a... Ano ba yung sabi sa Miss Universe? Confident with a smile. Yan. Naharana ka?
Nakarana, Kong.
Oo, naharana.
Kasi nung yun yung mga unang klaseng panliligaw, di ba? Pero syempre, nung pag-high school kami, noong 90s yun. syempre pabonggahan sila ng, tanong mo na, pare, tanong mo na, gusto niyo maging girlfriend.
Ilan taong ka ba nagka-boyfriend ka?
Nagka-boyfriend ako, parang 17 yata, 18.
Wow, sakto naman yun. Pero okay naman yun, di ba?
Ano na rin.
Ikaw, Gail.
Wag mo na.
Ayan. Nananahimik si Gail. Al Chris, ikaw.
Naghahanap pa nga.
Ayan, di ba? Grabe. Alam niyo ba, noong unang panahon, may distinct stages ng harana? Harana first gained popularity in the Philippines in the early part of the Spanish period. Its influence comes from the folk music of Spain and the mariachi sounds of Mexico. O alam niyo na, noong unang panahon, may distinct stages ang harana. Una, panawagan o announcement. Pangalawa, pagtatapat o proposal. Tapos ang susunod ay panagutan o response at ang huli, pamamaalam o farewell. Ang lalim, di ba? Iyong pinasikat noon ay dungawin mo sana at ang kahirap mawalay sa piling. Pag naghanap ka sa YouTube, mahahanap niyo din si Florante Aguilar. As a composer, Aguilar uses strong Filipino motifs in a modern context.
As a musician, ang lagi kong paniwala ay mas makabuluhan kung dadalhin mo ang iyong musika sa kanilang kapaligiran.
His constant search for a tradition-based contemporary Filipino sound led him to champion Harana music. Songs used in the now vanished Filipino courtship ritual of serenading and the subject of the award-winning 2012 documentary, Harana. The Search for the Lost Art of Serenade, which he wrote and produced with his wife and partner, Fides Enriquez. Aguilar has released several CD albums under the private label New Art Media. Aguilar was born in Manila and raised in Cavite, where he first learned to play tabina as part of the Rondalia group. At 16, he entered the University of the Philippines College of Music, receiving formal training as a classical musician. His pursuit of excellence later took him to New York on a scholarship at the Manhattan School of Music. He eventually earned his Bachelor of Music degree from the San Francisco Conservatory of Music. And when Parokya ni Edgar released the song Harana in 1997, it didn't just become a hit. It revived the magic of serenades for an entire generation. The gentle and sweet ballad, which is the band's second album, Brogudugudung Tuguduguduy, released in 1997, is the ultimate ligaw song. The composer, Yapi, was 19 years old then, a third-year management engineering student at the Ateneo when the composed Harana. At may version din ng kantang ito, yung Smoky Mountain. And remember, si Yusek Tony Lambino first recorded na parang ballad nitong kantang ito. It was released in 1992 as part of his first solo album.
Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin.
Siyempre, itong pride natin. Harana won the International Viewers' Choice Award for MTV Southeast Asia in 1999. Na talaga namang nagpasikat ng gusto sa bandang Parokya ni Edgar.
Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko.
This is Sessions with Brian Imsuwan. Pakan niyo po yung mga susunod pa naming kanta.
Sasamahan ka hanggang langit.
Ganda ng lyrics niyo. Sasamahan ka sa dilim, sasamahan ka sa pait, sasamahan ka hanggang langit.
Okay na yung langit, no?
Pero wag yung literal.
Oo. Alam mo yung kanta ni Muriel, yung Akap by Imago, sobrang grabe yan. Released in year 2005, Imago is a well-known Filipino alternative rock song and popular track for its emotional depth. And yung lyrics niya express longing and spoken love. Often interpreted siya as being from the perspective of someone in love, di ba? Alam mo na ba, Muriel, na 2 years na lang kinanta yan, pero wala pa ring title.
Talaga ko?
Oh, 2 years nila kinanta yan, parang sabi na, di ba, beso-beso sila, ganun.
Oo, ganun.
Akap-akap siya. Ay, okay itong akap, no? Parang ito na lang title kaya nung kanta.
After 2 years, no?
After 2 years na na-realize na, uy, ito na lang pala yung title natin sa kanta. And yan talaga yung mga kantang di mo din nakalain na maging hit, di ba? Tapos later on, after all those years, madami na nakarelate. Nakarelate ka ba, Mariel?
Oo, Kong. Actually kasi, yung kantang Akap nung sumikat yan, yung high school din ako niyan, Kong. Yan yung madami pa yung mga bumibisita yung mga OPM bands sa mga school. Tapos papanoorin mo sila, yan, mga Imago. Ang ganda ng lyrics niyo, sasamahan ka sa dilim, sasamahan ka sa pait, sasamahan ka hanggang langit.
Ay.
Ayan na naman tayo.
John Bunda, anong gusto mong i-translate sa mga kasabihang yan?
Yung huli po. Yung hanggang lang.
Okay na yung langit, no?
Pero wag yung literal.
Oo.
Yung ano lang.
Pero siyempre, alam mo naman yung ibig sabihin ng song nila, di ba? Yung unrequited love.
Yes, Kong. Di ba ang ganda?
Alam mo, yan ang medyo nakakalimutan ng lahat. Because when you love someone, you always ask them. You always like... Kasi pag if you care about someone, pag gising mo sa umaga, pag nakita mo parang parang there's something off, it's always okay to ask questions.
Yes.
Kasi it's better for them to know what you feel. And it's better for you to tell them what you feel. Kasi sometimes if you keep yung feelings mo from them, mas hindi ka nila maintindihan na parang, okay lang naman si Muriel, masaya naman. Pero hindi na alam, you're feeling down, you're feeling low. It's better to always be there for someone. At syempre, di ba, yun ang mga kailangan natin at it's always a lesson for us. Ito naman ang susunod natin na kanta. Paborito rin to ng mga nagkakaraoke. It was released in 2005. Wow, 20 years ago. Pero hit na hit pa rin. Kahit Gen Z at Millennials, woke na woke dito. Originally performed by Join the Club and composed by Christian Blanca Reyna. Under Warner Music Philippines, itong malakas talaga maka-LSS. Talagang last song syndrome kung tawagin ito. Let's hear it from Alcris Ramirez singing the song, Nobela.
Bawat sandali na lang, tulad mo ba ako nahihirapan, lalo't naiisip ka. Di ko na kaya pa nakalimutan bawat sandali na lang at aalis, magbabalik at uulitin, sabihin na mahalin kahit sabitin, kahit muling masaktan. Sa pag-alis, ako'y magbabalik, sana naman. Sa isang marikit na alang-alay, pangitain kay ganda. Sana nga'y pagbigyan na ng tadhana, bawat sandali na lang. Sumabay sa biglang pagkabahala, lumabis ang pagtataka.
it's not the money all the time. It's the appreciation na ma-receive mo from those who listen to you.
Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama, di gusto.
Minsan minsan hindi. Minsan tama, minsan mali. Umabante, umaatras. Kilos mong namimintas. Kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo, kaya mo ba isigaw, iparating sa mundo? Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama, di gustong ika'y mawala. Dahil handa kong ibigin ka, kung maging tayo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Walang ibang tatanggapin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. May gulo ba sa iyong isipan? Di tugma sa nararamdaman, kung tunay nga ang pag-ibig mo. Magtapat ng nadarama, di gusto ika'y mawala. Dahil handa kong ibigin ka, kung maging tayo. Kailangan ba kitang iwasan? Sa tuwing lalapit may paalam, ibang anyo sa karamihan. Iba rin pag tayo, iba rin pag tayo lang.
Tumingin sa aking mata,
Sa'yo by Silent Sanctuary. According to the songwriter and lead vocalist Sarki Sarangay, the song was inspired by a friend's story of being uncertain in love, considered and dubbed in their song Sa'yo as a grateful song because they are really grateful to the people who supported their single, that they even, hindi na naisip na they didn't even think that it would be a hit song. The song was released in 2015.
Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng nadarama.
They also revealed that before it was titled Sayo, the first title of the song was Sarado. The song became the theme song of a hit serie by Maha Salvador, yung Wildflower, kung naalala niyo pa. And it's also a movie last night, starring Piolo Pascual and Tony Gonzaga.
Sa'yo lang ang puso ko.
Ang pag-ibig ang theme, di ba? Ng isang kanta, lahat tayo nakaka-relate, no? Tama ba, Juliet?
Yes, Kong.
At syempre, kakaiba talaga sila kasi nag-rock band sila pero ang mga instruments nila ay sinamahan ng violin at cello. Kaya kakaibang tunog nila. And syempre, tanungin naman natin si Juliet, di ba? Kailangan kwentuhan naman tayo. Juliet, yung pagtugtog mo ba ng violin ay sobrang challenging?
Kong, maraming challenge bago ka nakarating dito.
Paano mo naisip as a musician na ito talaga instrumento, itong violin?
Actually, Kong, pinilit lang ako ng mommy ko na mag-violin. So, syempre, parang feeling ko dati, deprived ako ng childhood ko. Kasi hindi ako makapaglaro. Gusto ng mommy ko, practice ka before going to school, practice. Bago ka matulog, practice. So, parang hindi ko siya ganun ka-love. Parang feeling ko hindrance siya sa paglalaro ko.
Oo, yung bata.
Kasi wala naman akong choice but to follow my mom. Hanggang sa mag-college ako, Conservatory of Music. Tapos, pero piano major ako.
Okay.
Tapos yung sister ko, pianist. So, nung nag-work kami sa Hong Kong, dahil pianist siya, kinuha niya akong violinist.
Uy, sakto yun, di ba?
Yes.
Di ba, pag nagpupunta kayo sa lounge, di ba, usually nakikita nyo, pianista at violinist, di ba?
After nun, umuwi ako, nagpiano ulit ako. And then, after nun, nag-form na ako ng Cadence, yung band. I think that was when doon ko na-realize na ito yung gusto ko.
Yan.
Kasi from classical ako, so parang na-realize ko, hindi pala doon yung heart ko. Parang mas gusto ko yung pop, love song. So, doon lang nag-start talaga yung love and passion ko sa pag-violin.
Ngayon, Juliet, andiyan ka na sa profession na yan. Kumbaga, di ba, isa ka na sa mga revered na violinist sa buong bansa, di ba? Ano naman yung magiging advice mo para dun sa mga aspiring ones na talagang yung mga bago pa lang na nagsisimula, na ito yung hawak nilang instrumento? What can you advise them for the future?
Siguro for those aspiring violinists, ito yung gusto nyong maging career path. Dalawa lang yung advice ko. One is, be mindful of work ethics.
Okay. Tama yan.
Punctuality, preparedness, and the other one, that matuto tayong makisama sa mga magiging kasama natin sa work.
And alam nyo talagang pag-passion nyo ang music, pursue it. Be good at it. Yan din ang talagang hangarin namin dito sa programang ito, yung matulungan yung mga musikero na mas maitaas pa yung antas ng kanilang profesyon at craft. Because music is not only an art, it's a reflection of who we are. Diba? Magbabalik po ang Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Ikaw kung may papasalamatan ka sa buhay mo, sino yun?
Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko, salamat. Kung ito man ang huling awiting na awitin, nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, nais kong sampitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Kasama kita lumuhad.
Yun, di ba? Magpasalamat naman tayo kay Gail. Sa napakagandang rendition naman ni Gail ng kantang Salamat by Yen Constantino and was released in January 2007. Nag-gold status din siya noong February of that same year kasi nag-triple platinum siya. Yung mga panahon na mga naka-CD ka pa. Alala mo ba yung Gail?
Yes.
Noong naka-CD pa. It received Awit Awards for Best-Selling Album of the Year and Album of the Year in 2007. The song celebrates thankfulness to a loved one who has been present through highs and lows. Meron ka ba nun, Gail?
Hindi, naging team song natin yan nung kampanya.
Oo nga.
So,
exactly.
Hindi naman team song, parang ito yung kinanta natin nung Grand Rally.
Yeah.
It's thanking everybody. Yung behind the scenes, yung mga taong, alam mo yun, hindi na may mention.
Ikaw kung may papasalamatan ka sa buhay mo, sino yun?
Nanay ko.
Siyempre, di ba?
Of course. And my husband, of course.
Yan. Alam mo, when Yeng wrote the song as a personal thank you to those who supported her, Yeng rose to the fame parang in 2006 as the first Grand Star Dreamer winner of Pinoy Dream Academy, di ba? And with public votes and standout songs like Hawak Kamay and Salamat, propelling her to stardom, di ba? Grabe. Kaya after 18 years hanggang ngayon, tinutugtog pa din ni Yeng yung mga kantayan sa mga graduation, ceremonies. Ito naman, di ba? Dahil pag-uusapan na natin to. Ito naman natin, Gail, si SP, di ba? Ang ating sentimental pianist. Kumbaga, as a musician, anong pasasalamat mo bilang isang keyboardista?
Sir, nagpapasalamat po ako kasi despite hindi ako formally nag-aral ng music, nakakatugtog pa rin ako kasama itong mga pinaka-the best sa industry. So,
wow, grabe.
I'm so grateful.
Grabe. Grabe. Yam Jam Live, kita niyo naman ang pasasalamat ni SP. Pero nonetheless, diba, marami ka ring bandang sinalihan. Hindi lang itong Yam Jam Live, pero part ka rin ng Sound Salad, di ba? Part ka rin ng Cadense. Part ka rin ng iba-ibang banda. Pero ano yung napag-aaralan mo dun sa pagsama mo sa lahat? Parang what really inspires you na daling ka rito sa music industry? And not everybody knows na nagtrabaho din si SP sa gobyerno, tama?
Yes, sir. Muntikan ko na po kayo maging boss. sa Malacanang po, Office of the Press Secretary.
Yan.
Tinanggihan lang po yung yung position kaya hindi po natuloy. Tsaka nag-resign din po ako that year.
Sa lahat ng tinutugtugan mo, di ba? When do you feel most alive?
Actually, sir, lahat po ng grupong sinasampahan ko, masaya po ako. Hindi po ako, kahit na hindi po ako tutugtog sa kung saan man na hindi ako magiging masaya.
So kung titignan mo kay SP, di ba? It doesn't matter who will she play with or who will she belong to. Ang sa kanya is the music itself. Kung ano yung nararamdaman niya as a musician. Because yun yung professionalism na binabanggit ni Juliet na parang at the end of the day, it's all about being professional and being true to your craft. Kasi pag naging musikero ka, dapat isa puso mo lahat . Ito, lagi kong ina-advise sa mga magulang pag ako nagsasalita during yung mga graduation. Let your child be what they want to be. And alam mo, SP, salamat for your music. Salamat at kasama ka namin linggo-linggo dito sa sessions. Ikaw at iba pang mga miyembro ng banda Yam Jam Live, we salute you. Grabe, palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili niyo. Kasi we will not be able to create the music without you guys. Kaya salamat, salamat, salamat. Matanda, bata, mayaman, mahirap. Ano man ang kulay mo, music gives meaning to our lives.
Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies, colors. Listen to the birds. They will sing to sing for me and you.
Para sa lahat ng nanonood, don't forget to tag us if may mga song request kayo or may gusto kayong topic na pwede naming mapag-usapan dito sa Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Just use the hashtag YamJam. Hashtag YamJamRequest. Yan, di ba? Alam nyo, ang maganda sa music, we are united. It is a universal language with no barriers. Ika nga, matanda, bata, mayaman, mahirap. Ano man ang kulay mo, music gives meaning to our lives. Kaya kami dito sa Sessions, we are always excited every Friday to be with you. And we hope to sing songs for you na talagang makaka-relate kayo at kahit paano makaka-relieve kayo dun sa mga pinagdaanan nyo. And we leave you with a song that gives hope. This is a South Border, soulful vibe, made this a karaoke hit, a wedding staple, because let's face it, after the rain, there's always a rainbow. See you again next week, so let's keep believing, keep hoping, keep singing. Thank you for watching. Marami po tayong kwentong kanta na pagsasaluhan. Ako po si Brian Yamsuan. At sa sessions, we don't just play the music, we reveal the story behind it. Kita-kits sa next session.
Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. No, no, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, 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 no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then just end. We can never really have it all. No, 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 no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. And so, baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that will soon to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if the rest may not, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. No, whoa, whoa. Hidden high, hidden low, when the leaves you should go. Yeah, yeah, getting warm, getting cold, weather could be so good or bad. But baby, this is life, so don't get mad. No, 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 no. But oh, can't you see? That no matter what happens, life goes on and on. And so, baby, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if the rest rain out, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? through the rain. No.
This is Sessions with Brian Yusua. We love you.
Take a little time, baby.